So guys, on today's video I'm going to start with an apology. I know I've been away for a while, there's many reasons for that, but I'm hopefully going to start re-uploading videos again pretty soon. And I'm going to start with this one. And what it is how to rebuild the internal mechanism of a ratchet. Now this one's, well, there's no other word for it, it's goosed. Now you can't really tell with your hands, but it does skip. Oh, yeah, look, just like it did then. As soon as you put any pressure on it whatsoever, it just skips. So what I've done, went online, bought a repair kit. Now this is, I think, it's a Sealy AK6687. Now I did go back and look before I bought this kit, but this kit does fit quite a few different models. So first thing to do, remove these two Torx fasteners, flip it over and remove the one from the bottom. There we go. 3 bolts are holded together. Then this all just pulls out. That's the main gear. Cover plate. There's a washer. Now if you look at this, you can see it's knackered. I mean, just look how smooth that is there. And then inside, you have 2 springs. These should be the same size, but clearly one snapped. You have these 2 little arm things, not entirely sure what they are or what they're called even, and the switch to change which direction it ratchets in. And essentially everything in there comes in the kit. So as you can see, you literally do get everything from the cover plate, springs, washers, main mechanism. So it's pretty good. It means we can completely rebuild this. So what I'm going to do, rightly or wrongly, is I'm going to apply just a little bit of grease. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. It's mainly just to stop everything from corroding, because if you look at this, you can see a bit of rust is starting to creep in. So hopefully by using just a tiny amount should mitigate that. So as you can see, I've just smeared literally just the thinnest amount around that. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can put that in first and build everything around it, or you can put that in last. Doesn't really matter. So then again, just the merest smear of grease on there. Now when I took this apart, it didn't have grease on it. Yeah, like I said, it didn't have grease on it, so it probably doesn't need it. I almost nearly forgot. This bit, and the way this bit goes in, this is the selector. Now it goes up from the bottom, and you have it so that it's basically the selector bit is poking down, is pointing down the shaft. So just drop that in there, and then you'll see on these, they are actually marked left and right. If you can see, I don't know how well it's going to focus, but it's got an R on there, so this is the right one, this one's got a left. But essentially, when I put it in, you'll see there's only really one way for it to go. So if you look in there now, you can see the way these are shaped, and they're shaped so that they fit in these two little recesses and then a thing, and then they push against the ratchet mechanism. So then all that's left now, springs, again just a little dab of grease, and then they push down in between the wall of the ratchet and these little arm things, and that's it. They just hold themselves in with pressure. As you can see, I did only put a tiny amount of grease, and like I said before, if you don't want to, don't put any in, because when I took it apart there wasn't any grease in there, and I don't think there's normally grease in the ratchet, so literally that is only there to hopefully prevent the ingress of moisture. I might just put a little bit around the edge of that as well. On the underside, I'm just putting the barest amount. So then on top of this, before you put on the cover plate, make sure you put on the washer. And then the cover plate. Which fits on nicely. Now the first screw I like to put in is the smaller one, which is the single one on the bottom there. Now this can be a little bit tight because there's Loctite on it. But you don't need to really tighten it up. Just snug it down, that's all you need to do. But as you can see, they do come with Loctite added onto them. There we go guys, that's it. As you can see, the ratchet does sound a bit different now, but that could just be because I put the grease in there. But essentially that's how you rebuild the ratchet. Now most ratchets I think are the same. Now I did try and find a kit to rebuild this, but and I literally binned the broken bit the other day, so I can't actually show you that, but that's the broken bit is literally the button. It just sheared off, so it wouldn't work anymore, it just pops out. So that's it guys, that is how you rebuild a ratchet. Like I said, I'm hoping to be back making videos soon. So hang in there, catch me on my next video. I've been Chris Dalton, see you later and goodbye.